friends, this is Michelle. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you a sweet spring makeup tutorial. Spring is always associated with soft colors like pastel. Today we are going to use a soft coral. Without further ado, let's get started. I'm using a light peach with moderate warm orange undertone as my transition color all over my crease line. Next, I'm using a bright medium pink coral and applying it all over my lids and gradually blending it upwards. Next, I'm applying a bright medium dark coral to emphasize the corally color. Next, I'm using a bright tangerine orange with gold shimmer, applying on the center of my lids. Then, lightly dabbing on Spritz to have a smooth gradient look. Next, I'm using a light golden copper on the center of my lid. Moving on to the lower lash line, I'm using the same shades as my eyelids. Next, I'm using a really light orange with gold shift metallic and applying it on my inner corner. Because this is a soft look, so I'm using a brown eyeliner. Next, I'm using a deep red with subtle warm undertones and applying it along the eyeliner that I drew. In a way, this will set the eyeliner as well. Next, apply a not so dramatic false lashes. Next, I'm using a really soft peachy tone eyeliner and draw on my waterline to complete the whole eye makeup. Next up, I'm applying mascara on my lower lashes. Because this whole look is so peachy and corally vibes, no doubt I'm using a peachy tone blusher as well. Next, I'm using a very natural highlighter, applying it on my cheekbones, my forehead, bridge of my nose, Cupid's bow, and my chin. Next, use a lip liner that is closer to your lip color and line your lips. Next, I'm using a bright coral lip color applying it all over my lips. And because this lipstick is a matte finish, it's a bit on the drying side. Therefore, I'm using a lip tint which is in toned down coral. And the makeup is done. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell for more videos. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye now.